Hello dear students, hope you all are doing well and enjoying your online classes also. So welcome to your online class and this is your English literature. In my previous two videos of this lesson, I have already told you that I'll explain this lesson in 3 parts and I have already uploaded the 2 parts. So in this video, I'll explain the last part, that is third part. Clear? So this is your lesson Flying Together of your NCERT book. And I'll read it first and then I'll explain. So go through the pronunciation part as well as explanation part also. Clear? So let's start without wasting any time. So I'll read it first. So go through the pronunciation part. Okay, so let's start. Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. We were foolish, wept the birds. We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. They are all dead, he muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then, all at once, they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. So now, I am explaining you the third part of this lesson, so listen it carefully. अब क्या होता है जब सारी की सारी बर्ड्स इंक्लूडिंग दैट वाइज ओल्ड बर्ड सब हंटर के जाल में फंस जाती हैं तो सब पैनिक करने लग जाती हैं और रोने लग जाती हैं कि अब क्या होगा, अब हमें कौन बचाएगा। तब वो वाइज ओल्ड बर्ड उन सबको वापस से याद दिलाता है कि मैंने आप सबको कहा था कि हमें उस क्रीपर को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देना चाहिए, बट आप में से किसी ने भी ऐसा नहीं किया। अब देखो सुबह जब वो हंटर आएगा तो हम सबको मार देगा। तो सारी की सारी बर्ड्स रोने लग जाती है और कहती है कि हम सॉरी फील कर रहे हैं कि हमने आपकी बात नहीं सुनी, लेकिन अब हम क्या करें, अब हम कैसे बचेंगे। तो वो वाइज ओल्ड बर्ड एक आइडिया सजेस्ट करता है कि एक काम करते हैं, कल सुबह वो हंटर आएगा तो हम ऐसा प्रिटेंड करेंगे, प्रिटेंड मीन्स ऐसा जताएंगे दैट वी ऑल आर डेड, हम पहले से ही मरे हुए हैं। तो जब वो हंटर हम सबको देखेगा कि हम मरे हुए हैं तो वो क्या करेगा, हम सबको एक एक करके नीचे फेंकना शुरू करेगा और जब हम में से लास्ट बर्ड नीचे आ जाएगी तो हम सब उड़ के चले जाएंगे। उससे पहले हम सब ऐसा प्रिटेंड करेंगे कि हम सब पहले से ही डेड हैं। तो सारी बर्ड्स मान जाती है कि ओके हम ऐसा ही करेंगे। नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग जब हंटर आता है और पेड़ पे चढ़ता है तो वो देखता है कि सारी की सारी बर्ड्स तो पहले से ही मरी हुई हैं। तो वो क्या करता है, नेट खोलता है, अपना जाल खोलता है और एक एक करके उन सारी बर्ड्स को नीचे फेंकना शुरू कर देता है और सारी की सारी बर्ड्स ऐसा ही प्रिटेंड करती है जैसे कि वो पहले से ही मरी हुई हैं। और जब लास्ट बर्ड हंटर अपने जाले से नीचे फेंकता है तो सारी की सारी बर्ड्स अपने पंख फड़फड़ाते हुए क्या करती हैं, आसमान में उड़ जाती है और ये सब हंटर पेड़ के ऊपर से बैठा हुआ देखता ही रह जाता है और सरप्राइज रह जाता है कि ओह इन सब ने मुझे क्या किया, बेवकूफ़ बनाया। सो दिस वॉज द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ योर लेसन फ्लाइंग टुगेदर। आई सजेस्ट यू दैट प्लीज़ बी इन टच with all 3 parts of the explanation so that you can understand this lesson well, but at last I just tell you the summary of this lesson. Okay, so here I go. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree, and that tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Among them, one of the geese was a wise old bird, and he noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree, and he told to the geese to destroy that creeper because he was knowing that soon the creeper will become strong and thick and then it will be possible for a hunter to climb up the tree. But the other birds took this advice so lightly, and they forgot to destroy that creeper. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest, and when he saw that tree, he climbed up the tree with the help of that creeper and spread his net there. In the evening, when the geese returned home, they did not notice the net, and they all were trapped in the net. They cried for help also. Then the wise old bird told to other birds that he told them to destroy that creeper, but they all forgot to do that. The other birds felt sorry for not listening to the advice of the wise old bird. Then the old bird told them again that not to panic and gave an idea to them to get out of the hunter's net. He told to other birds that tomorrow when the hunter will come, you all have to pretend like to be dead. And when the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. Next morning, when the hunter found all the dead birds, he started throwing them out of the net one by one. And when the last of the bird has been thrown down, they all got up, flapped their wings and flew away. And the hunter stood in surprise. So this was the summary of your lesson, flying together. And the moral of the lesson is, we should always obey our elders. हमें हमेशा अपने से बड़ों का क्या करना चाहिए, कहना मानना चाहिए. Okay, so that's all for today, and now I'll meet you in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned, stay home and stay healthy. Thank you.